All right, here we are, our last destination on our Camiguin trip. We're going to be visiting White Island. Okay. Hello. Thank you. Oh, it's windy. It is windy.
Pila po rin tana?
Ila mo naman payong. Pila ko payong. 200 ang payong. Panyo na 200. Apil na kuan hapin. Ina.
Ay, yukan sa. Yan pa na yan ah. Pero pagkabot.
Summit.
Yasukan.
There's a lot of people here now. We came here before and there wasn't very many people at all. We got really lucky. And it's early in the morning right now. It's like, what is it, like 9? A little after 9. So you can rent umbrellas here. I think that's like 100 pesos. So it's a little under $2 for an umbrella. Oh, it's 200 pesos. Okay, so it's a little under $4 for an umbrella. We're gonna be trying some sea urchins.
Never tried this one before.
Yeah. And this is like the little spicy sauce that they put on it.
With a spicy vinegar.
Sea urchins with spicy vinegar.
Oh my goodness. This is very popular on...
Oh, here, I want to get them cleaning it.
Hello, Mom. Lahi ko tong dayo ko yan. Lahi bro. Puro siya upload nga kuan ba? Di ba suka?
So he cleans it and then puts some vinegar in it. And it was 4 for 100.
Yeah. It's your time to try.
So like 35 cents a piece or something like that.
careful.
Then you can hold it like that.
Oh, yeah, hold it like that.
Oh,
Try wala suka. Ambil na.
More suka. Suka vinegar. You don't even taste it.
yeah, it tastes good. It's like it's really really soft. I'll taste a lot of the vinegar.
Oh, sorry.
Try ka wala suka, ma'am.
Man, it's actually pretty good.
It's like kinilaw.
Yeah, and there's like some kind of like hot vinegar in it too, spicy vinegar.
How is it?
Part of a shell or sand or something. Embrace it. It's good. The vinegar adds a lot of spice to it, so, but it is kind of, it's very soft. It's good. It's not fishy. It's not gummy. Camiguin Island. Yeah, you like that?
What did they come with?
Just hold it. It's waterproof.